Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm cutting red skin potatoes because I'm making call it home fries. And what I'm doing right now, I'm cutting all the potatoes up. Just gonna stay like this. And I gotta cut a red onion. One down, one more to go. Well, two more to go, really. So you just cut them up. I'm gonna use a skillet pan with a little bit of oil and let them simmer. Put some salt in there. Potato here. Oh, too big. If you cut them too big, they won't taste good. And these potatoes right here that I'm cutting now are red skin potatoes, and they're a little actually they're a little sweet. So them all up. Not trying to cut myself on camera. Nobody will never know. Only I would know what kind of potatoes I like. So take those, put them over there. You cut your red onion. Like that. Notice red, purple potato, onion doesn't have any skin on it, just a little bit, not a lot. So you're good with that. I'm not gonna cut this one because that's too much. So later, I'm gonna take a vlog inside of Walmart because I have to go to Walmart later, and you'll see what I'll be doing. You know? So take a sip over here. Ugh. Turn my oven on. My stove, sorry. I get a fan in the background. Gotta get some grease. See how you gotta grease the pan because you gotta make sure they fry it up. You know, a lot of people don't know how to make home fries, so you know, it's an easy 1, 2, 3 step. It's not like, oh, such whatever. No, it's easy. Maybe I'll put some yellow peppers in there too. I'm just cutting up yellow peppers to put in there. You can put whatever you want in your home fries. You're eating it. Nobody else is eating it but you. You know? So. Put them onions and them peppers in there. Let them fry up a little bit. See, the first time I started cooking was with my dad. My dad was a chef. He still is a chef, somewhat, whatever. But that's the first time I started cooking was like, I was 11. And I asked my dad, I was like, well, Dad, can I cook too? And he's like, yes, just sit there and I'll show you how to cut, and, you know, stuff. So, yeah, it takes me back. Excuse me. It takes me back a long, long time ago. I'm 44 right now, so, you know, it's a long time. I'm gonna clean up my mess. Y'all be talking about me. Oh, she's so messy. Not really. She drives me crazy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm gonna put the potatoes in here. And my husband is a chef also. So I learned from him too. He learned from me, I learned from him. So I'm about to season it all up. This is what I'm putting in it. Some garlic. I'm putting in some onion powder. And some salt. Just a little bit, not a lot. Oh, and have your measuring cup and put some water in it because potatoes suck up a lot. You gotta have some type of juice in there. Just for them too. to turn it down just a little bit. But that's how they look. Cook. I gotta put this on here because I got the cover on. Up. And that's gonna go. What you do. Alright guys. Check me out, like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Because I got new stuff coming out for June. I got new stuff coming out for July. New stuff coming out for August. All summer long. So check me out, guys. I'll come back later to see what's going on with the potatoes. All right, bye.